Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings fast. Press Win+I or click Start then Settings. Once in Settings, choose System and select Power and Battery so you land on the power controls. Make sure you are signed into an account with administrator rights because changing advanced options requires elevation. This step gives you the why. System power profiles determines sleep, display, and performance behavior, and you need access now to reach the exact controls we will edit next. Now focus on the middle steps. Change the power mode slider, pick best power efficiency, balanced, or best performance depending on needs. Next, expand battery settings to set screen off and sleep timers. These directly affect battery life and responsiveness. Once done, click Additional Power Settings to open the classic power options in Control Panel for granular plans. Make sure to select or create a plan. Then click Change Plan Settings to access the Finish by opening Change Advanced Power Settings and tweak Processor Power Management, Hard Disk Turn Off, USB Selective Suspend, and Sleep options. These control performance versus battery trade-offs. After adjusting, save the plan and give it a clear name so you can switch quickly later. If settings revert or do not apply, make sure no group policy or OEM power utility is overriding them. Disable conflicting apps, then reapply. If problems persist, restart and reapply the custom plan to ensure changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.